Okay, the date for today is January 11, 2024. My topic will be a long video format, and this is the continuation of my topic, trigonometry, and we are now on lesson number 48. So, for those of you who are following my YouTube channel, we are now on lesson number 48. Okay, let's proceed. The subject matter for this session will be trigonometry. We are now on lesson number 48. We are almost done. Okay? The title of the topic will be Problem on Cosine Law, meaning it's an application problem and the solution should be by using cosine law. Okay, let's try to proceed. To illustrate the concept of cosine law, I will be giving an oblique triangle with given dimensions. And the dimensions are actually, we are given two sides. And we are given an included angle C. Meaning the value of A will be 80, B will be 35. Angle C, this is capital letter C. And this is 42 degrees. The problem is just asking what will be, of course, the other included angles. The other included angles will be capital letter A and capital letter B. Okay, and side C. Because we are given two sides, A and B. So, of course, the missing side is actually side C. So, if we try to bring out the figure of this one, the figure will be something like this. It's an oblique triangle. It's not a right triangle. This should be angle C, angle A, and this is angle B. The inside angles are actually ABC. And what is given is actually angle C. So actually we are looking for angle B and angle A. And we are also given the sides A and B. If this is angle A, the side opposite to it will be side A. And if this is angle B, the side opposite of it is actually side B. And this is angle C, the side opposite to it is actually small letter C. So what is being asked is angle A, angle B, and side C. I think we could not solve this one by using the so-called sine law. So the solution should be by using the concept of cosine law. Okay, let's try to bring out the solution. To compute one of the unknowns, okay, let's try to figure out what is given. We are given this side here, and we are given this side, and the enclosed angle between this side here and this side is actually angle C. So what is given is A, B, and we are given this angle C. So I think it's a must that we should be using this equation here. The third one. Because we are given A, we are given B, again we are given A, we are given B, we are given angle C. So by using this equation, the only unknown is actually the square of the third side. Okay, let's try to substitute values. A is actually 80, B is actually 35, this is minus 2, times AB, which is 80, the value of B is 35, and the value of angle C is 42 degrees, so this is cosine of 42 degrees. Okay, 6400, 1225, minus 5600, the product of this, times cosine of 42, which is 0.74314. taking the sum, this will be 7625. 5,600 times 0.74314 will be 4161.61. Taking the difference, actually it was originally like this. This is still c square, right? The difference of 7625 minus this is actually 3463.39. And to compute for the value of c without the power 2, we must have to raise both sides to the 1/2. So the left hand side, these two here, cancel with this. What remains on the left will just be simply c. And 3463.39 raised to the 1/2. Oh, this is now just the same as what I wrote a while ago. It's the square root. And if we try to take the square root of this is very near 3600. The square root of 3600 is 60. But since this is less than 3600, of course, the square root should be less than 60. And the value of c is 58.85. So the value of c will be 58.85. Right? Again, we now know this value, right? So it seems we are now given c, okay, c, and we are given a. The angle between them is actually angle B. So we could use the formula relating to side B. So relating to side B. So B square, okay, since this is B, the right hand side should be in terms of A and C, right? So this will be A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine of angle B. Are we given side B? I think we are given side B. We are given side A. Okay? We have computed for side C. It's this. So 2AC is given. So the only unknown is actually, sorry for that. The only unknown here is cosine of angle B. Okay, could you visualize, guys? We are given B now. We are given A. We have computed for C. A is given. C is computed. So the only unknown is cosine of B. Okay. It's not yet B. It's the cosine of B. So substituting values. B is 35 square equal to A, which is 80 square, plus C, the computed value of C is 58.85 square, minus 2 times A, which is 80, right? The value of C is 58.85 times cosine of angle B. So this is now just a matter of simplification. 35 square is 1225, 80 square is 6400, 58.85 square is this one, 3463.39. The product of 2 times 80 times 58.85 is 9416 times cosine of angle B. This is the only unknown now. So we transpose this one to the left. It's now plus. And we take the sum of 6400 plus 3463.39 is 9863.39. We transpose this to the right. This will now be negative. Right? Therefore, cosine B now will be the difference of this, which is 8638.39. Okay, this is with the coefficient 9416. So we divide actually, we multiply this one by the reciprocal of 9416, 1 over 9416. So the left hand side actually cancel with this. It will now be simply cosine B equal to 8638.39 all over 9416. That's less than 1. That's cosine of B. So to compute for B without the cosine function, okay, what do? Uh, we'll take the arc cosine of both sides. Cosine to the minus 1 of both sides. Right? The arc cosine of B will be B. Okay? And the arc cosine of the right hand side will be the arc cosine of the ratio, this ratio here, which is 0.9174. So actually, if we take the arc cosine of all the terms on the left hand side, actually it seems this cancels out. So what remains is just B, the one we are looking for, equal to the arc cosine of 0.9174. And if we try to use our calculator, the value is 23.44 degrees. Okay, so we now know angle B. This is now 23.44 degrees. So the one remaining that is unknown is actually angle A. Right? Angle A. But since we know that under oblique triangle, the summation of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So I place it here by using this, maayos naman ka na? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C, meaning the interior angles for the oblique triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So substituting values, A is the one we are looking for, B is 23.44 as per our computation. Angle C is given as 42, and this should be equal to 180. Algebraic manipulation, right? A now will be 180 minus the sum of these, which is 65.44. This is now negative because we transpose it to the right. And A will be 114.55 degrees. So this one here is 114.55 degrees. Okay? So we now know angle A, we now know angle B, we now know side C. And actually the concept of the solution is actually by using cosine law. The first one is by using cosine law. The second one is still by using cosine law. And the computation of the angle, it's just by using the concept ABC is equal to 180. Okay, this will be a good illustrative example by using the concept of cosine law. Okay, for those of you guys who would like to subscribe or want to watch my video on my channel is at youtube.com/@ProfDavidJDeLosReyes. If you want to share it, please click share. Okay, good morning.